This lesson is only an overview about intervals. So let's see this inequality. A is smaller or equal to x. X is smaller or equal to b. Now, geometric description for that, we say that since we have equal here, okay, A is smaller or equal to x, so we put our closed point, okay, and we say from A included until B. So here we have equal here, right? So until B included also, okay. Interval notation for that, we put our square bracket and we say from A included until B included. Coming to this example, A is smaller, strictly smaller than x. X is strictly smaller than b. Now, geometric description for that, since we don't have equal here, A is strictly smaller than x, so we denote for that this open point and we say from A excluded until B, since we don't have any equal here, so B also is excluded, okay. Interval notation for that, we denote for that this A is excluded by putting this parenthesis, this type of parenthesis, or you can see also like that, this square bracket, A until B excluded, okay. They are basically the same, okay. Let's see this one also. A is smaller or equal to x. X is strictly smaller than b. So geometric description for that, since we have equal here, so A is smaller or equal to x, this means A is included, okay, until B we don't have equal here, so B is excluded. Interval notation for that, A is included until B is excluded, and pay attention to this type of parentheses, okay. Or the same thing you can write also in this way, A until B, and you can do it like that. They are basically the same, okay. Let's see this one also. For A is smaller, strictly smaller than x, x is smaller or equal to b. Geometric description for that, since we don't have equal, we said we put our open point and we say from A excluded until B we have equal, so B is included. Interval notation for that, from A excluded until B included, okay. Now from A is smaller or equal to x. This means that from A included, okay, until infinity, okay. All those points are solutions, okay. So interval notation for that, from A included until infinity, plus infinity, okay. This one here, A is strictly smaller than x. Geometric description for that, A is included until infinity, and interval notation for that is from A excluded until infinity. And we never put closed bracket, square bracket for infinity. Infinity is infinity, okay. Now x is smaller or equal to b. Geometric description for that, we comes from minus infinity until b. Since we have equal, b is included, so interval notation for that, from minus infinity until b with closed square bracket, okay. Let's see this one also. So x is strictly smaller than b. This means from minus infinity comes until b we don't have equal, so b is excluded. Interval notation for that, from minus infinity until b, and b is excluded, okay. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video.